Hello, this is a quick little tutorial on how to submit your mileage for payment. So you're going to first go to the LSR7 staff page, which hopefully you have bookmarked. I have it bookmarked, but not in my bookmark bar up here. Okay, once you get there, you're just going to scroll down to where it says Employee App/Records, click on Mileage. This is really super simple. Sign in with your staff account, click on your email address. It's going to take its time. It's really taking its time. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, so now you're going to click on New and Unsubmitted. This is to make a new request. And you're going to select Traveling Teacher Middle School ETMS because that's your home building. So that's the budget that it's going to go to. This should appear in your drop-down menu, and then it will come up automatically after that, so you won't need to search for it anymore. If it does not appear, let me know, and I can help you get the to make sure that that appears for you. So you'll select from, and you're going to find PLMS, to ETMS. And then all you're going to do is it already calculates how far it is and then what the mileage is per trip. So you're just going to click on the days that you went. So if you do this weekly, which I think is a good idea, I'm going to try to get in the habit of doing it every Friday for Late Start Friday. Just kind of one of my things that I check off on those days because it's super simple. So maybe you'll click on the 23rd, 24th, boom, boom, boom. And let's say that you go ahead and do it this Friday. Oh, it won't let you click beyond today. Okay, so never mind. If you were to do it this Friday, then you would click the other 3 dates as well. And then you would click Add. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to mess things up for my account. But you would click Add, and it's very simple. Then it submits it for you. You'll see that I submitted one already. And it gives you that information about it over here if you need to check and see what you have already submitted, and you can even see the details of it. So yeah, very straightforward and pretty easy. Again, of course, let me know if you have any questions, but hopefully this will help you out.